BiBi catching a drone. What you watching, BiBi?
Hey guys! Oh, I'm just watching the Worldwide Drone Championship. It's finals. Looks like there are 2 winners so far. White Eagle and Rapid Bird.
Countdown. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, let's watch. Come on, Bluebird. Keep up. Come on. Come on. Go, go, Bluebird. Hooray! We won! I like drones. Think I should buy one and take part in the contest.
Well, you should also learn how to use it, BiBi.
I'm sure I'll manage. Pretty sure it's not that hard. What do you think, guys?
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Let's see. Okay, which one should I pick? What about this one, guys? Do you think it's fast? And what about this one? Can it get high? I think this white one is probably the most durable.
I think you should pick the blue one. It's the fastest.
Well, okay. I'll take the fastest one. And I'll name it Blue Arrow. Huh? Okay, let's see. This handle in the middle is to control the vehicle. And this one is to add speed. Pretty easy. Let's fly. Go, go, Blue Arrow! Whoa! Oh no! Blue Arrow's gonna crash! One of the propellers broke!
We gotta do something, BiBi, before it's too late.
I know, but I can't control it. See? It just stuck there under the balcony. What do we do? Yeah, he don't listen to me. Just doesn't react. How do I bring it back down? What do you think, guys? Maybe I should poke it with a stick?
You're gonna break it, BiBi. I'm not sure that's the way to go.
Yep, you're right.
Maybe we should wait till the battery runs out.
No way. It's still got 4 hours of flight. I can't wait that long. What if it will fix itself somehow? Anyway, I don't want it to hurt anybody. There are people down here. We must come up with a better idea. Oh, I know. Let's put a blanket on it. It will get stuck and fall down, but it won't break. Oh, I should try it right away. Hooray! We did it! Turns out it's not so easy to control the drone. Well, there's a lot of work to be done now. Guys, if your parents buy you a drone, make sure you learn how to use it and try it out with your folks. The farther away from trees and wires, the better.
BiBi finally fixed his blue arrow and he's ready to fly again. Good luck, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Auto rack. Today BiBi came to the railway station. He's on a special mission. He's waiting for a very important cargo. Some cars are coming back home from a big racing competition. It is BiBi's duty to meet and check them all and send them home. All the cars are coming by train in an auto track. Come on, let's help BiBi meet his friends.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
They arrive at the platform number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Do you remember which auto rack?
Also 5. It's the last one. Let's count together, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey there, pals. Nice to see you. Let's get you out of there. When the cars are inside the moving train, they are protected by wheel stops. First, we must take them off. Doesn't work. Looks like we'll need something to help us to take off those wheel stops.
How about this?
Well, let's try. Nope.
Didn't fit. Should we try this instead?
Nope, not that.
Let's try this.
Hooray! We did it! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You all here? Okay, let's see. Well. Great! You guys look fine. Just as good as new. Bright and shiny.
As usual, BiBi did the job brilliantly. Hey, you guys must get going. They're waiting for you at the training base.
Welcome back, and remember, town is not a racing track, so do not go too fast. See ya!
But our friends spent too much time on the train. They got really bored and wanted something that would cheer them up. So they went really fast. But being a competent professionals, they got to their destination safe and sound.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Road safety, traffic light.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
BiBi woke up early that day. He wanted to clean up the workshop and sort out all of his tools. When he finished, he decided to have some rest. But then the fire truck came over. He came asking BiBi for help. And so the BiBi asked the fire truck, what happened?
What's the trouble, fire truck?
And the fire truck told BiBi about his studies. That his excellent marks at the Fire Truck Academy. And how he learned to get cats down from trees. The problem was that the fire truck didn't know the traffic laws very well, especially the traffic light signals.
No problem. I'll tell you what you should do at the traffic light. Look, it has 3 colors: red, yellow, and green. When the traffic light is red, you should stop and let other cars go. When it's yellow, you should get ready. And when it's green, it means you can go. If you're in a rush, you can switch on your loud flashy siren and go through a red light. Only police cars, ambulances, and fire trucks are allowed to do that. When other drivers hear your siren, they should always let you through.
And so now the fire truck knows what each traffic color means. Fire truck thanked BiBi for helping and was on its way. Now the fire truck knows very well what to do at the traffic light. Thanks a lot, BiBi.